Okay, we're getting ready to go. I just want to show you the pin rod one more time. The convenience of this pole is just stupid. I mean, it just fits in anywhere. So we just pull it out. I keep the reel in my little everyday survival purse. It's a tactical bag made by Fox. But we hook it up like this. We're ready to go fishing. That's simple. I'm gonna turn it over to Brian. He'll tell you what kind of fish we're after today. Maybe give you a little bit of hint on what we're gonna use. Okay, we're making the first cast of the day. This is how Brian, our guide, rigged it up. So we're gonna see what happens.
Nice. There you go.
Alright, it casts good. All we can do now is wait to catch a fish. We'll turn it back on when we got one on. Alright guys, Brian's got one on. He's got one on a little pin pole. Let me get down here and see if we can get a picture of it. Nice little bass. There it is. Big mouth.